Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix RoShade not working problem in Roblox guys. Before moving on to the video guys, don't forget to leave a like. First we need to clear the RoShade cache files. To do this, right click on the start icon, select run. In run window you just need to type percentage local app data percentage again, click on OK. Now in here you just need to search for temp folder, double click on it, and now search for RoShade folder, right click on it and select delete it guys. Now we have cleared RoShade cache files guys. Now close out of here. Now to uninstall RoShade you just need the installer pack guys. For that I'm gonna download the RoShade installer. Click on the download option and download it. Wait for it, the skip option will become. We need the installer to uninstall RoShade guys. Click on skip and download the installer. After getting download RoShade, you just need to click on it and install it guys. The installer will help you to uninstall the RoShade guys. Click on the uninstall option over here and select all check mark over here and select uninstall it guys. Now click on yes. Now click on next and close. Now try to reinstall RoShade and check your problem resolved or not guys. If you're still having a problem, let's move on to the second solution guys. Second solution is to update your computer graphics card driver. Outdated or corrupted drivers can cause issues with graphical extensions. To update your graphics card, right click on the start icon, select device manager, expand the display adapter section and right click on the driver you are using it, select update driver and select search automatically for drivers and select search for updated drivers on Windows Update. Click on check for update. If any available updates over here, you just need to update it. After updating it, it just require a restart. After restarting your PC, check your problem resolved or not. Our third solution is to disable security softwares guys. Sometimes security softwares might blocking certain functionalities. Ensure that Roblox and RoShade are whitelisted. To uninstall the third-party antiviruses, go to search menu and type uninstall a program. Click on the control panel. Click on uninstall a program. If you are using third-party antiviruses, you just need to uninstall it guys. And after uninstalling it, close out of here and check your problem resolved or not. If you're still having a problem, you just need to reinstall Roblox guys. If nothing else work, you might consider reinstalling Roblox. To do this, you just need to search for Roblox download. Click on the download option and download it guys. Before installing it, you just need to uninstall the Roblox player you already having it. Go to control panel and uninstall a program and uninstall it guys. And now check your problem resolved or not. The last final solution, you just need to right click on the Roblox player and select properties. Select the compatibility tab and you just need to check mark run this program in a compatibility mode for Windows 8 or Windows 7 guys. You just need to choose it, the lower version of Windows you are using it. Select apply and OK. After doing this, check your problem resolved or not. So system requirements, ensure your computer meets the minimum system requirements needs to run RoShade smoothly guys. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys, and you can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.